You want to create a proper and professional YouTube channel? This channel creating checklist only for you. Keep watch this full video to know all the channel creating secrets. If we buy any product, they provide us a manual for how to use the product properly and also our safety purpose. The same method, you must read the full terms and conditions of YouTube to understand what are the do's and don'ts to safeguard your channel from termination. First, you create a personal Google account because unable to create a YouTube channel without a personal account. The old account helps you for quick monetization, so avoid creating new account for your channel. And select the perfect name for your channel. The name must be very short, simple and memorable. And comment below what you think about my channel name and is memorable or not. Use your personal account as a channel if you are a celebrity. Otherwise, you create a brand account for other categories. Since a lot of people have a same name, so the viewers get confused to find you. And must do two-step verification and use only strong password for your account to protect from hackers. This video is helpful? Then share this video to right people like you to help them to create a professional YouTube channel. And study the purpose and usage of each and every option and settings in YouTube and modify that for your requirement. Since some simple steps help to make your channel grow easily. After that, create your social media accounts for promoting your channel to grow fast. I am available in all social media. The social media IDs are available in the screen here. So touch with me to get more tips and tricks. And choose a perfect and suitable color combination for your channel. And don't forget to like the video if you feel this video is helpful. Then design your channel art and channel logo using Canva. It's completely free. The link also available in the description below. Before going to the next point, subscribe the channel now to get unlimited and professional ideas from me. And add important infos in your channel art to attract the viewers. You want to support my channel? Donate me on Buy Me a Coffee website. The link also available in the description below. Then write about your channel in channel description section. It's simply answer the 5 W and 1 how. Means what, where, when, why, who, then how. For example, go to my channel's about page and suggest me what are the changes I need to do. And must add your channel related keywords in your channel tag section. Always use tags how the people search. You must use the same order of this checklist for creating your channel to save your time and improve your productivity.